Good evening, it's Dr. J.P. And I have a special video for you tonight. This one is with Andrea, uh, one of my favorite people, single homeowner, mother of three, and it's doing a renovation, a Kappa tread install. And I just wanted to just caution you to make sure that in the event that you are working with any kind of woodworking equipment, metal equipment, and there's a chance that debris could fly, that you would make sure you use safety glasses, and in some cases, safety gloves. In this particular video, safety glasses would have been a good thing to use. So I just want to encourage you to do so, and I just want you to enjoy the video. For several years, she had been asking for assistance with getting this video. I'm not the video. I'm sorry. With getting the work done. And this time she decided, hey, she was going to do it and she was going to video it, because she knew that I wanted videos of women, okay, being independent entrepreneurs. And so she went ahead and videoed the process for us to enjoy. Thank you and have a good night.